Hi everyone, it's Nick here from the Train8 HQ and welcome once again to another video on the Level 4 Certificate in Education Training. This is Unit 4 and our final question is looking at 2.1, identify the internal and external assessment requirements and related procedures of learning programs. So for this assignment question, you're required to identify the two terms internal and external assessments and explain briefly what these terms mean. So we have got a table which you'll need to complete, but what you need to do is you need to explain the term internal assessments, and you also need to list the different types as well. And secondly, external assessments, and explain the different examples. So I am going to explain internal assessments in this video, and I'll explain about some examples that I use as well. So internal assessments, this term within teaching and training, means any assessments which are created by you, the teacher, within your training environment. So you have the opportunity, the flexibility to create and select your own assessment methods rather than being sort of accountable or prescribed by an external awarding body telling you what to assess and how to do it. So internal assessment methods are usually informal. So typical examples could be a quiz or a test created by you. It could be an essay that you think, you know what, my learners are going to benefit from this. So you could devise perhaps an essay question. You could get your learners to do some presentations. It could be an observation task as well. Things like discussions, debates, of course. So it's all about giving your learners assessments which you think will be beneficial for the course. So you really do have free reign on this, and it's something which you or your school, your college or organization creates and delivers as well. So once again, if you have a scheme of work for your course, you might have different internal assessments per lesson, per day. Therefore, you're keeping track of the different ones you're using, and therefore it's making your lessons more engaging and interesting as well. So just remember, you have the choice on internal assessments, and you can think about the ones that are going to be most beneficial for your learners there as well. So for this assignment question, we would like for you to explain this term. What does internal assessments mean? You can, of course, include some examples from your own practice as well. So I'd say a paragraph or two is sufficient, and to list some examples there. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this assignment task is nice and clear. Please put any comments in the section below. We do respond to them. Thank you so much.